Good morning, guys. Up to now, we are completed some points and some topics. Right now, we are completed now another part. Today, I will discuss about the installations of Java software, how to install Java software, and how to download it, and how to change the path of Java. And also, we discuss about the and about JDK versions, what we have to learn about that, and also we completed some basics example of first example of Java. So we can say that steps to prepare first application on Java application right now. And now first of all, we discuss about the installation process of Java software and Java software. So see here, today topic is the installations processing of Java software. Installation process of Java software, right? Installation process of Java software, how to install and how to download it right now. And first of all, we have to go there on our browser, and first of all, download download JDK, download JDK 8. Sorry, download JDK 8, Windows. Windows. Download JDK 8 for Windows. Right. Wait. For Windows. Okay, all right. So from internet, I think you are already get it how to download it. So now next step is there. Double click on the JDK Windows, whatever what JDK you have to download there. So first of all, double click on JDK 8. All right, double click on JDK 8 exe file. You have to and if you have to download that, it is also in exe file now right now. So that exe file I will write there, exe file. Very good. So after the completion this process, next point is there, click on yes button, right? Click on yes button. I will show you one installation part, step by step installation part, how to install, and I also show you how to download it and how to install it. It is the theoretical process how to download and how to install it there, but I will show you in practical view how to download from the internet and how to install it. Already I have installed the JDK 1.8, 1.9, sorry 1.8, and also I already installed the 11 version, JDK 11. So but I also show you the how to download it and how to installation, but I'm not completed the installation process because I already have installed the all the JDK files, what we have to require. So nothing to worry, I will show you. Let's see how to download it, but it is a theoretical process. I will write you and I will show you. Click on yes button, right? After this, next point is there, click on next. Also click on next, click on next button. All right, now next point is change JDK installation locations. Change JDK, change JDK installations. Change JDK installation location from C directory, from C directory. Wait, program files, program files, programs files. Here you will you will see this. Wait a moment. All right, Java JDK 1.8.0, whatever the version is there, no issues there. And 2, all right. See here, guys. Change the JDK installation location from C drive. Here is the first location drive. You have to already default location drive to taken there, but you have to change this directory, and you have to change this directory from here to here. Change JDK installation directory, because programs files. If you are install this default directory, so it's showing some errors, because it's not showing errors because some restricted oracles, Microsoft have restricted some issues, some files which are mandatory for JDK. But in the programs files, if you are installed in programs files, listen carefully. If you are install this JDK in programs file, Microsoft is restricted uh, some files which is very important for JDK, so that better to understand and better to installation process, you have to change the directory from programs files to direct Java in C directory, in Java JDK 1.8.0. Because programs file restrict in programs files, very many of the installation files of Microsoft, so it restricted the some files which is very important for Java. So better to understand and better to installations, you have to change the directory now. And now next we have to done, click on next. Very good, click on next. After that, now this process, I'll show you step by step process. Please listen and please see this carefully. You have to change also JRE, change JRE installation. Okay, change JRE installations location from already here JRE location already show you, but not a JDK. It shows JRE, right? Actually, first of all, you have to install this process and go to go to the installation process from this scratch and change JRE installation. Sorry, you have getting some um, message from like that. C programs files 86 Java JRE 1.8.0, but we have to change the path of JRE and JDK also, because if where you store the JDK file, you must have to store also JRE file, because JRE and JDK is already combinations of combination with both. It's a part of JDK, because JRE, that means Java runtime environment, and JDK is a software which is a JRE and which have to JRE environment. It's a provide the JRE environment, so that we have to install in Java JRE in a Java variable Java path. Where you store the JDK, you have to store you must have to store JRE file in there in those directory. So to change JRE installation location from C programs file 86 Java JRE 1.8.0 to already same process. But here JRDK, now JRE, right? All right, guys. Now next process is there. After this completions, by clicking on change the button and wait, we have to by clicking by clicking on change button and click on OK. Okay. Well, now we have to go another process. What the next? Click on next. Right. After this, next process is the click on close button. All right. So this is the process of installations Java software. How to install it? It is a step-by-step process. Now after the installations, of Java software, we have to set we have to sorry we have to set path. It's mandatory. After the installations of Java software, we have to set path, right? Path environment, variable, to the locations, where all JDK where all JDK where all JDK commands are existed where all JDK commands are existed. Okay, after the installations of Java software, we have to set path environment variable to the locations where all the JDK commands are existed. I already told you where the JDK files is stored and JRE files also be available on them. If you not JRE installed, if you install the JRE in another locations, we getting some stuck. But better to store JRE and JDK in a same directory. Now on command, we have to check the installation process on command prompt, right? On command prompt. First of all, we have to see how to download it and how to install it. Then after the come a command prompt, right? Go here. Okay. So Google, go to the Google and write here. I'm sorry, JDK 1.8 download. 64 Windows. It's not mandatory to write Windows 10. It's already done by the Oracle. It's already so accept the go to the Oracle. Wait. I will show you. Go the Java SE Development Kit 8. Okay, and I already give you the link installation files and go accept. After the accept license agreement, here is the Windows chooser because I have a 64 bits Windows, so I will show you how this is my 64 bit. Alright, I have 64-bit operating system, so I have to download 64-bit JDK 64. If you have a 32 bit, you better to download 32 bit. Alright, wait a minute. Okay, alright, good. So install that. If you have a Windows 32 bits, you have to install this one, and if you have a 64 bit, you have to install that this one. So I have this 64 bit, so I have to install this one. Okay, all right. After the download, before the downloading, you must have to create an account in Oracle because it's mandatory. So I already have an account. Okay, and sign in. Don't say password. So it is a JDK 8.1.8. So save this file, because I already have downloaded this, so I don't want to save this. And go to back. So this is the all of our process how to download the JDK 1.8. And you have to download JDK 1.7, 1.6 as it is, but it's mandatory to you have to create an account on Oracle and log in into Oracle through your account username and password. After the completion, you have to access to download this file. Okay, all right, guys. This is the overall process how to download the JDK, and I already installed that, so I don't want to install again. All right. So after this, I already write here all the process how to download it and how to install it. Please check it and do that. First of all, on command prompt, how to set path. Set path C Java / JDK, sorry, KDK, JDK 1.8.0 / bin semicolon. Right. After once you have to completed the installations, you have to set the path. How to set the path? Through the command prompt. Go to command prompt and open it, and write this one: set path is equal to C, wait, C, and / Java / JDK 1.8.0 / bin. This is a process of set the path, right? But we have to some alternate options to how to set the path. I will show you how to set the path. Go to this PC and go to properties. All right, and this one is the advanced settings, advanced system settings. Go to advanced system settings, and after this you have to show, you have to go there, environment variables, and this one is the environment variables. Go the Java home, create a Java home. Okay, go to new and create Java home, and after that go to new and create path. If you have already already you have the system in path, go and click here and go to new or edit. So I already install JDK 1.6 and JDK 1.8. So I will put it here, this environment, path environment, and go to OK, go to OK, OK, go to here, and C drive. It is a Java JDK 1.6, JDK 1.8, and also I have JDK 11, but I did not install it. So JDK 1.8, if you install the JDK 1.8, so go to JDK 1.8, go to bin, and this one is a path where you install the JDK, right? Copy it here and go to this PC and go to properties. After the properties, you have to go advanced system setting. This all the entire process are setting the environment variable, because if you don't install set the environment variable, JDK did not work. And create a new one which name is Java underscore home, and store the JDK 1.8 path. Store this path, and go to path, and also store the path of JDK, and go to OK. So I already go to edit, right here Java underscore home C, yes, colon Java slash JDK 1.8.0 slash bin. I already have, so paste it here, and OK, OK, OK. This entire process is how to installation and how to set the path. Okay, all right guys, have to completed this. Okay, tomorrow we will meet. Let's continue the sessions on tomorrow. Thank you.